Hello everyone, today I will show you how to replace the battery of Bose SoundLink Mini. Open the plastic cushion protecting the battery base. You can see that there are 4 screws fixing the battery. Remove these 4 screws. Put the removed screws together to avoid losing them. Next, pry off the grid protection net with the Bose logo. And be careful not to damage the soft plastic glue embedded in the protection net. There are 2 protruding buckles on both sides of the grid protection net, which are used to fix the grid protection net on the casing. Remove the screws that fix the 2 audio speakers here. After removing the screws, grab the edge of the front baffle and pull it hard on the net to remove the front baffle. You can see that there are 2 vertical circuit boards. In order to remove the battery conveniently, you need to pull up the relatively long circuit board. First, separate the connection of the 2 circuit boards, and then remove the smaller one. The circuit board can be lifted up to separate the connection with the circuit board below. After removing the old battery, before installing the new battery, the circuit board connected to the old battery needs to be removed and soldered to the new battery, because the new battery does not have a circuit board. Here you need to do it yourself. And be careful not to get burned during the welding process. Now that the new battery has been connected to the motherboard, you can go to install the battery on the Bluetooth speaker. When installing, pay attention to the position of this bayonet, which needs to be aligned with the insulating sponge on the relatively long circuit board. The order of installation is to connect to the relatively long circuit board first, and then lift the long circuit up to connect. Then connect the circuit board underneath. The battery is installed. Now to install the front baffle. And then lock the screws for the speaker of the audio. Lock the first screw for positioning, do not lock it. Then lock the other screws, make sure that all 8 screws are locked, and then tighten all screws. It's time to install the grid protection net. When installing, pay attention to the buckles on both sides and make sure to buckle to the casing. Finally, tighten the 4 screws that fix the battery, and the whole process of replacing the battery can be completed. Thank you for your support to me. If you have any suggestions and ideas, you can leave a message below, and I will reply to every message. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, don't miss the exciting content. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.